Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video today, I want to the next story about Abdurrahman bin Auf part 2. Uh, mm, Quoted from the Mission of Religion, Kemenak website from the book Rijal Haula al-Rasul by Khalid Muhammad Khalid. It is explained that Abdurrahman bin Auf is said to have bought goods from the city of Sham and brought them to Medina in very large quantities. Siti Aisyah radhiyallahu anhu said that Abdurrahman bin Auf often brought home 700 containers of merchandise like a never-ending parade. He was a figure who was already rich, so that the Prophet Muhammad SAW so often teased him that Abdurrahman bin Auf would enter heaven by crowning. Of course, this made Abdurrahman bin Auf often cry when he remembered the words of the Prophet Muhammad SAW. So he often prayed, "Make me poor. I want to be like Mus'ab bin Umair or Hamzah, who only lived a pitch of cloth when he died." Mas'ad bin Umair, when his body was wrapped in a straw, his feet were covered, but his head was open when pulled up. His head was covered, by his feet were open. O Allah, he granted. The figure of Abdurrahman bin Auf, who was already destined by Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala to be a rich man during his life, often consult the Prophet Muhammad SAW about how to enter heaven at least by walking and not crawling. The Prophet Muhammad SAW replied in close clarity, "Your feet will be like to enter heaven." According to historical records, at the end of his life, Abdurrahman bin Auf will divide his wealth into parts. The three parts um, in his in his life, the Prophet friend Abdurrahman bin Auf saw his desire life in Prophet, but always failed. Although the goal was not achieved, he still inspired us through his kindness, sincerity, and never-ending devotions. His life story provides many valuable lessons, especially about uh, canary intentions, generous attitudes, patience, and humility. Hope, Hopefully, we can take an example from the friend Abdurrahman bin Auf and make it an inspiration in living our daily lives, that the true purpose of life is not the world. Jadi dikutip dari Kementerian Agama bahwa dari kisah Rijal Haula Rasulullah karya Khalid Muhammad dijelaskan bahwa Abdurrahman bin Auf ini memborong dagangan dari kota Syam dan dibawa ke Madinah dengan jumlah yang amat banyak. Siti Aisyah radhiyallahu anhu juga menceritakan bahwa Abdurrahman bin Auf ini seringkali membawa 700 kontainer dengan dagangan seperti barisan pawai yang tidak ada putusnya. Beliau ini sosok yang terlalu kaya sehingga disindir Rasulullah SAW bahwa Abdurrahman bin Auf ini akan masuk surga dengan berjalan merangkak. Tentu hal ini membuat Abdurrahman bin Auf menangis karena saat teringat sabda Rasulullah, maka beliau sering berdoa, "Jadikan aku miskin, aku ingin seperti Mus'ab bin Umair atau Hamzah yang hanya meninggal sehelai kain pada saat meninggal dunia. Mus'ab bin Umair ketika jasadnya dibungkus kakinya tertutup tapi kepalanya terbuka. Ketika ditarik atasnya, kepalanya tertutup tapi kakinya terbuka." Ya Allah, rintiknya. Lalu sosok Abdurrahman bin Auf ini yang sudah terlanjur ditakdirkan Allah menjadi orang kaya selama hidupnya, seringkali berkonsultasi kepada Rasulullah SAW selama hidupnya tentang cara agar masuk surga minimal dengan berjalan kaki dan tidak merangkak. Rasulullah SAW bersabda, "Perbanyaklah bersedekah, niscaya kakimu menjadi ringan untuk di surga." Okay, that's all from me. A little story about the Abdurrahman bin Auf. And see you again. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.